just having a little bit of dessert. I just filmed a whole bunch of stuff. Pottery. Calling this new series Karaoke Mukbang. Or call it Mukbang Karaoke. It's so cold, but it's so good. I prefer it with thick, vegan, plain, Greek-style yogurt. It's creamier. My tongue's turning black. Sorry. I filmed my little long slow of cooking my kimchi soup, my kimchi jjigae. It came out so good. I had it twice. I had it earlier, and then I had it again a little while ago for my dinner last bit of meal. This is my dessert. Nobody cares about that. I'm pointed at my shoulder. Holy fuck. Talk about deformed. One shoulder is always lower than the other or higher than the other because that's where you always hold your handbag. You favor your shoulder that you put your handbag on. And it's my left, so it's higher to hold it up. So if I put it here, it just falls off. If I put it here, it stays. Weird. Not really. Your body always tells you what you're doing. Try to stand up straight. Don't shove your toes into small shoes. That's the worst thing you can do. Get bunions that way. She was at the sitter last night because I went to Jessica Kirson. Fuck that! It was so amazing. She's so fucking funny. Her energy, her delivery, her mannerisms, her physical comedy is just spot on. So good. It's particularly good, I think, because I didn't have baked sugar today. I didn't have any chocolate. I wanted to get some chocolate, but I put it in the back of the tray so I couldn't see it right away. Amazing show. Opening act was okay. I would give him about. He had moments. Sorry, I don't remember his name. He had moments that were very funny. Yeah, I'm gonna lick it. Mmm. It's delicious. I really enjoyed that. Very wet. Wet burps. Did you hear that one? That was like liquid. My belly going, thank you for all the yummy berries. Thank you for the coconut milk yogurt alternative. Thank you for that added little sweetness of maple syrup. Yes, the real stuff. Thank you for feeding me yummy things today, like kimchi, chicken, and rice. And all the crap you were feeding me yesterday. Yesterday wasn't crap. I had a falafel after the show. My girlfriend bought me. And it was good, but it wasn't a big I was like this. Don't do that. I was like, don't do it. Don't do it. I came home and I was still hungry. And so I ate a couple pieces of that. No, I went to eat a couple pieces. I just cut up a couple pieces of that cranberry bread. And I ate one slice with some vegan butter, the Mayoko's butter. And then I took one bite of the second piece. And I was like, oh, I've had enough. Because I also ate the leftover vegan Jamaican patty I got at this farmer's market. That was so good with some sriracha.